What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful XC60 that we have right here in crystal white. Now let us take a look at how gorgeous this car looks. Love the contra with all these black finishes that are happening on the car. Love the dark tail lights at the rear, the bottom piece that are also in black, and of course the amazing wheels that we have right here. Now we will take a look at the interior as well. Side mirrors are black, that's what's beautiful as well. Let's start off with the front and take a look at the beautiful lights that they have right here. Now I love the Volvo lights, especially when it's in this kind of like shape, you know, it points down, very sharp, it connects to the grille. Love the dark finishes that's happening on the inside part right here. Love the Volvo wording right there. Just the way the design of the light actually looks beautiful, man. Now for the full LED system is what they call their Volvo lights. Bottom here you have some airflow on this side right here, opening, actual opening. Love the black finish, the gloss black, and then this lining right here that pops up like this. Show you the front in a while more. But also the white front finish that goes across that makes it look very aggressive with this line popping up like this. Your tow hook for emergency cases goes right there. Now for the front grille, take a look at the amazing blacked out finish grille. Love the lines that come down this way, and also you get some lines that pop down this way with this chrome finish of a badging with your 360 camera at the front. Beautiful finish. Number plate goes right down here. You got some gloss black finishing on the center part right here, which makes it look absolutely aggressive with this, as I mentioned, this white stuff happening. You see what I mean? Beautiful. So top hood, we got some lines that join together on this end, but see how they split open and they join back on this side right here. So it's a very aggressive finish of a front hood, as you can see. Very sporty, man. Love it. Now for the side wheels, you have your amazing wheel arch that goes across in the body color as well. You got your tire size right here, 235, 55, R19. Love the two-tone finish of the wheel, gloss black together with some silver finishing all over the place. You have your solid disc brakes right on the inside right there, Volvo badging in the center, brake calipers right there. They're using the Pirelli tires on this car, so it's kind of cool. You have your charging socket on this side right here for the AC charging. That's kind of nice. Let's close that down. You got your side mirrors right here in black, doesn't follow the body color, and that's what's beautiful about this. Matte finish at the bottom, half of the mirror, and then the top part here is in this gloss black finish. 360 camera located down here as well, so that's kind of cool. Turn indicator should be over here. Beautiful. Now for the bottom here, you do have a white bottom finish. Very nice. Love the design, even though if it's white, you got this design finish that goes across and how it cuts up like that. Can you see what I mean? Amazing, man. Door handles, before we open up, take a look at the side railings that are in this gloss black finish that goes across. Absolutely beautiful, man. So open up the doors, take a look. Amazing finish of your door. Bowes & Wilkins speakers right here. Love it. Memory seats, you got two. You got your unlock and your lock handle to open up the door. Love the finishing of the door. Very nice, man, dude. Leather finish or some sort of material, fabric kind of material for the door side. And you do hit your compartment storage down here as well, together with your speaker system. Love it, man, dude. Very nice finish of your door. So the side plate right here, Volvo wording. Doesn't come with the light, but it's a blacked out finish at the side. Very nice as well. The interior of this car is lovely. Finishing is superb, man. Love the sort of like material they're using. You know, it's like some kind of fabric similar towards the front here. This part right here. So yeah, let's hop right in. Take a seat and feel what we're actually feeling. So this right here is an amazing wood trim for the car. You get some chrome lining that goes all across the dashboard from the driver's side and goes all the way down here. Beautiful how it goes up here as well. Love the air vents that you're seeing here. Amazing dashboard with all the stitching that is on it. Beautiful finish. You get your Bowes & Wilkins speaker right there, so that's very, very cool indeed. Love the screen setup that they have right here. Amazing interface, very smooth and nice. I believe so. I've never really used it before, but yeah, I believe so. It's very, very smooth, and when you turn left and right, it's swipe left and right is actually very good. So Advent adjustments on this side, Advent adjustment on this side. You can turn it off if you wish to. Same thing over here, same thing over there. You get your wireless charging that goes right here. The volume adjustments on this side, play pause, your hazard light together with your Advent, so-called your demister, front and back. Love the gear knob in this sort of finish. Love the glass finish. It makes it look very luxurious, man. I like this a lot, man. Dude. So you got your P, your drive, your reverse, and of course your start button. Not press it, you gotta start it. So handbrake, you pull, you push it, or either the auto hold. This right here should be your 2 cup holders on this side. You got your 12-volt socket on that side. Very nice indeed. Glove compartments on this side. Very wide opening. This is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Seatbelts are in black. Very nice. Legroom is good. Spacious. And what's happening down here? You get your other storage spaces. You also get your Type-C, USB-C connectivity. Very cool indeed. Amazing steering part. We'll get to that in a while more. Let's get right down and hop right into the rear of this car and take a look at the doors. You get your amazing finishing once again. Bowles & Wilkins speaker, handle to open up the door. You got your handle to hold, pull to close the door. Window adjustments on this side. Once again, I love the fabric finish on the interior. Love the compartment storage down here. Speaker right there. Hard plastic on this side. Goes across at the bottom, goes right on top. Amazing finish. Check out the rear, man. The space looks good. I've not adjusted the front seats to suit how I actually sit, but I believe it is comfortable enough. Love the finishing for the rear seats. You got your net right here to keep some stuff. Some sort of minor, small compartment storage. You get your charging socket as well over here. You get your 2 Type-C connectivities. Very nice indeed. Center, somebody sitting in the center, you can put your footrest over there. So that's kind of nice. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear passenger side. Seat belts are in black, and if I'm not mistaken, the seats right here, you can use it by pressing onto it, perhaps. There we go. So you can use it for actually a child seat if somebody wants to sit down in a more higher position where the seat belts can actually buckle. This looks like a very helpful seat gesture. Cool. So let's get right down and sit right into the center. This is me sitting comfortably right at the center. You get your fabric lining for your roof right at the top. I believe so. You can open up the shade, which we might do in a while more. But yeah, it's a very comfortable sitting position. Door right here, let's open that up. And let's get right down. The seat is comfortable for the finish that you're getting. Love the textured finish that we have on this side. And also, yeah, let's not forget 2 cup holders that you guys can keep some stuff over here. You can access the rear, I believe so. Not really sure quite how, but yeah, perhaps, maybe. Okay, cool. So you can't really access it, or maybe you can. Got to figure that out. But yeah, let's push this back up and get right down and take a look at the back right here. This is where your petrol tank actually goes to, but we got to open it from the front perhaps, or maybe it's currently locked. So Pirelli tires is what they're using on this side. You get your solid disc brakes on that side. You got your brake calipers right there. You got your silver finish right here with some black finishing all over the place. Love the two-tone finish for the wheels, especially the badging as well. Amazing tires. Tire size 235/55 R19. Gorgeous finish for the wheel. Now for the rear, take a look at the design, guys. Amazing layout. Love the Volvo wording in this bright chrome finish. Absolutely nice as well. You do have your XC60 wording right there as well. Love the dark finish of your lighting that we have right here. Beautiful. XC60 is where number plate goes. T8 plug-in hybrid, that's what they call it. The bottom part of the rear bumper. Love the black finishing that goes all over it. Absolutely amazing. Sensors located all over the place, so that's what's cool. 360 camera right underneath here. Let's open up the rear boot, show you guys. Amazing boot space that we have for a car like this. Net goes right here. And yeah, okay, so it is possible to actually open it perhaps from the other side, but through some way. Yeah, you can lower down the height over here as well. So seats, you can fold it down if you wish to, create more space. You have your so-called storage, a little bit of a storage space down here with your other things that I believe only the workshop people should touch, not anybody else. Let's take a look at the space that you guys get when you fold down the seats. Absolutely amazing. Now you do get more space on this side as well by folding it down. So fantastic room that you guys get for a car like this. Absolutely amazing. Check out the rear space. Beautiful. Now let's take a look at the driver's seat and the doors. First thing, Bowser Wilkins speaker right here. Memory seats, you got two, lock, unlock. You got your handle to open up the doors, handle to hold, pull to close the door, child lock for the rear, windows for the back, for the front, for the left and right side mirrors, compartment storage down here, speaker system right there. You got your brake and your accelerator right there as well. Love the seat finishing, once again the design, the stitching that we have right here in this particular design, including the leg extensions, and amazing finish as well for this side. Now for the rear, forgot to mention, you do get your, how to say this, bottom piece right here in a, for this seat together with for that seat as well. So two seats you can actually get, so-called your child seat or some sort of like a uplift kind of thing in case anybody needs a padding when they want to sit down, so it's more comfortable. So that's kind of cool also as well. Love the finishing that you guys get with all these Volvo cars, man, dude. Absolutely stunning all over the place. Now let's sit right into the driver's side. Take a look. Love it. Damn. Love how this looks, man, dude. Now, once again, amazing finish for this side. You got your light adjustments on this side right here, your signal adjustments on there, your wiper adjustments on here, and your other settings that you can control from this side, I believe. Okay. Chip. And other settings that you can control actually from this side to that side. But yeah, love the finishing that we have right here, this satin finish all over the steering. Amazing finishing that we have. Love the brown finish that goes around the side aircon together with the chrome lining as well. Your boot opening is on this side, petrol cap to open is on this side, so it's kind of cool. Love the layout. Interior head-up display is located right there, so that's kind of cool. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. It does feel good as well. Steering wheel is very nice and soft and nice to hold on to. Firm and nice actually. Yeah, cool. So let's get right down and take a look at the front once again. Beautiful finish, man, dude, for a car like this. Love it. Let's take a nice cover photo for the front. Amazing layout. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Volvo cars, do head down to Arada Mansara here at Sime Darby, where you can locate their showroom with plenty of amazing cars that they have on display all over the place, guys, including over there as well. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.